This bean burger is hearty, healthy, bursts with flavor, and packs plant-based protein from both beans and quinoa. Aside from its incredible nutrition, quinoa is used in this recipe because it acts as a binder, holding everything together. This recipe makes about 8 burgers, and they do freeze well, but if you don't need that many, you can cut the recipe in half. Start by rinsing and draining your beans in a colander. Add them and the quinoa to a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can add the beans and quinoa to a bowl and mash them with a potato masher. The beans do not need to be completely mashed, and adding a little olive oil can help. Then transfer this to a bowl and set aside. Add some olive oil along with a green onion and red bell pepper to a saucepan and saute over medium-high heat. Meanwhile, add your salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and cumin to the beans and quinoa, along with the eggs and mayo. Add your corn and minced garlic to the veggies and saute another minute. Chop the cilantro or use herb scissors and add it to the bean mixture. Then add the sauteed veggies and stir everything well. Add oil to the skillet and start dolloping the bean mixture to make the patties. I start with a spoon and then use a spatula to shape the burgers. Be sure to cook this over medium heat. If you cook it over medium-high heat, the outside will burn before the inside is cooked. Turn the patties after 4 to 4.5 minutes, using a spatula to shape them again, and allow them to cook another 4.5 minutes. Great toppings are avocado slices, extra cilantro, and chipotle cream. Chipotle cream is simply made from 2 to 3 tablespoons avocado oil mayo and 1/2 teaspoon chipotle pepper seasoning. Freeze any extra burgers for quick weeknight meals. Happy eating, and thanks for watching.